Assalamu alaikum. I'm Major General Carl Horst, Chief of Staff here at United States Central Command. We here at CENTCOM send our warmest greetings to all Muslims around the world as they celebrate the auspicious day of Hajj and Eid al-Adha with families and friends. We also send our congratulations to those who are performing the Hajj. Eid is an occasion of celebration, joy, and sharing. It reminds all of us the similarities shared between Christians, Jews, and Muslims, all children of Abraham, regarding the prophet Abraham and his sacrifices. It teaches us values that can be appreciated by all human beings, regardless of their religion or their ethnicity. Also, on this sacred occasion, we wish all Muslim pilgrims who have traveled to Mecca and their families a blessed Hajj. We appreciate the depth of such a tradition which brings unity, spirituality, and humility among people of the same religion and helps diminish differences between people of race, ethnicity, and class. As Muslims around the world rejoice, we join them in their celebrations and wish them peace and prosperity. Eid Mubarak.